Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will give you an overview of the partition tracking mode on the VC-TA50 PTZ camera. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Here is the basic equipment you need. You'll need a PC to set up partition tracking via the camera's web interface. You can use the remote to start and stop tracking. So, what exactly is partition tracking? With partition tracking, the user can program the VC-TA50's auto-tracking system to identify certain regions within a frame. As the subject enters a predefined region, the camera will move to a preset setting. As soon as the subject leaves the partition region, the tracking mode reverts to normal. In this example, as the teacher moves to the whiteboard, the camera can be instructed to zoom in. As the teacher moves to the projector screen, the camera will switch to a preset which captures the whole display. Step 3. Configuring partition tracking settings. First, log into the camera web's interface. Next, click the Tracking tab to configure the tracking. Select the partition from tracking mode and click the gear icon for advanced settings. Select the number of partitions you wish to create. Then use the pan, tilt and zoom controls to select a region within the scene. Click the Save icon to save the current view as a partition zone. The starting partition instructs the camera which partition view to use as its initial position. Now let's see how it's done in practice. Select the partition from tracking mode and click the gear icon to advance the setting. First, decide the number of partitions you want to define. Then adjust the image to a view you would like to use as a partition view. Click Save. Step 4. Partition Tracking Demo. To start tracking, press the on-off button on the remote control, or click the auto tracking icon on the web interface tracking page. Partition tracking is now activated. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.